Here is how to remove parental controls from a Google account. So first of all, you need to swipe up and find the Settings app on your system. Then scroll down and tap on Google option, which you will find below the Accounts and Backup. Tap on All Services that is beside Recommended. And now scroll all the way down and go to the section of Children and Family. And there you'll get two different options of Family Group and Parental Controls. Go ahead and tap on Parental Controls. In my account, Parental Controls is not set up. If you have set Parental Controls in your account, you should see the three dots in the top right corner. Tap them and select Stop Supervision. Read the information carefully to understand the consequences and then press Stop Supervision. There is an initial 5-minute wait, and after that, it changes to a 24-hour wait. To speed this up, you can use the Parent Access Code. Tap the Parent Access Code button in the bottom right corner, and you will get this code from the parent's device, either in the Family Link app or in the Family Link website. And once you enter the code, supervision will be stopped. Press close in the bottom right and wait, and now you can come back and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.